something that would lift up GPs and make them realise the amazing opportunities they have before them. Hopefully they'll get better work-life balance, less burnout, and enjoy their jobs much more by doing this.
Other GPs are going through similar things. Other GPs have had barriers they've overcome, they've encountered failures, and there's something quite reassuring about that and also quite encouraging.
Everyone has come from a different background, but everyone's come from a moment of inspiration or doing inspiring things.
Hearing about how people have managed to do loads of different things with basically the same skills as I've got, and I think I was just looking for that push, that bit of inspiration.
Jobbing doctor while doing something creative, and I think that tends to be what the vibe is here. Like, we're doctors but we're creative, and we want to meet more people that do more of the same.
Like I'm alive again. Alive again.
I've inspired at least one person to sort of, as cheesy as it might sound, to follow their dream.
I am so much better off in my new job, and I love it, so why wouldn't I tell other people about it?
It's been an amazing day, and well done to Angela. You've done a great job. She's a star.
I'm feeling quite overwhelmed because people are coming up to me telling me that the conference is inspiring them, that they're going to go out there and try and achieve their ambitions. They're so glad that they came. They're meeting people, connecting with others.
I came out a bit buzzing, even by lunchtime.
Oh my god, fantastic. I've learned so much.
So refreshing. It was amazing. I feel like you've just been around like-minded people all day.
I've realised that there must be a way forward, so I've already feel a shift that I'm going to take the next steps, and I can do it too, so thank you.